Hi, I'm Sarah Roach, the Head of Operations at Essential Energy. As you'd be aware, the bushfires throughout the north coast of New South Wales have been devastating. More than 1.1 million hectares of bushland was burnt and tragically lives were lost, along with property and livestock. The fires also destroyed large sections of the electrical network, with significant repairs needing to be undertaken. From the outset, safety was our response team's focus, ensuring a safe, steady and sustainable response. Over 600 Essential Energy employees were involved with repairs and restoring power to over 7,000 homes and businesses. 300 crew members were on the ground for almost 3 weeks, with support from our fleet, safety, vegetation, network delivery, asset management and network and customer service teams. Our response was managed through 5 operational hubs across the impacted areas, allowing us to work closely with the Rural Fire Service and other emergency response groups to confirm safe access, clearance and the needs of our local communities. Access was challenging at times, with 12,000 hazardous trees identified as needing to be made safe. In total, we replaced 625 power poles, used more than 140,000 materials to complete repairs, had more than 530 fleet on the ground, plus over 100 heavy plant vehicles, including excavators, to clear access roads. Our teams were supported locally by service groups and local businesses, providing meals, water and other daily requirements. These fires were unprecedented, and we were only one organisation of many that were in the impacted areas trying to restore essential services and provide assistance to our local communities. I sincerely thank our customers and communities for their patience and support as our teams worked as quickly as safety would allow us to make repairs and get the power back on.